Hungry for a filling dish with Spanish flair? Try Andalucian stuffed roast loin of pork. To start, preheat the oven to 400 degrees. In a pan, heat olive oil and add onion and garlic, cooking until soft. Remove the pan from heat and stir in breadcrumbs, figs, olives, almonds, lemon juice, parsley, and an egg yolk. Season the mixture with salt, paprika, and pepper. Spread the pork out on a cutting board and cover it with the stuffing. Tie with bands and roast for an hour and 15 minutes. Remove the roast from the oven when it reaches an internal temperature of 155 degrees. Let it rest for 10 minutes and then carve into slices and serve. Here's all you need for Andalusian stuffed roast loin of pork.